chart analysis of Ashok Leyland in a daily time frame. As you can see, it was going sideways in this level, and the sideways trend was broken with a higher high, which break the higher high of the last sideways trend, and it made continuous higher highs. And you can see this is a clear uptrend from here to there, and the uptrend is broken at this point when it broke the swing low decisively, and then the lower high started. This is a lower high, this is another lower high, but the downtrend is again broken because the lower high is broken at this area, making a sideways trend for some time. And this sideways trend converted into a downtrend when this swing low is broken again, and right now it is in downtrend again, as you can see here. So what will be our trade in this case? So first we need to check that where are the resistance. So the first resistance we can see is at this level. If the current stock break, if the current script Ashok Leyland, if this breaks this line, then it will continue the downtrend. And if it made another swing low here or another high low at this point, then you can call this as a support line. But if you see the past candles, as you can see here, so you can see this area has been a resistance for a long time, and there was a sideways trend not so far ago, and also this area also was an important resistance level at this area, because no also important support level at this area, because you can see it took a support here and went up and it broke the support, and the support converted into the resistance, and again it is converted to the support, and right now it can be a good support as well because this is a key line. So the my aggressive bet will be here. Okay, look, it is a downtrend, so our first intention should be to short at these levels, but we have all with these levels with a stop loss at this area, but we have already missed that point. So the next point in a downtrend, at the peak of a downtrend, like these peaks, this one or this one, you look to swim with the trend. But when the peak is missed and it is already going to a downside, making red candles by one, you wait for the reversal, and you want to trade the reversal in that case, because your first aim is to make your risk small and reward higher. Because if I join the swim right now, my risk is very high because my stop loss will be at this higher high, sorry, lower high in this case, at this swing high. Swing is better. So at this swing high, and this is a very huge stop loss compared to my reward. So I was looking to buy this going against the trend in this case with a stop loss at this level, because if this level is hit, the downtail will continue, and we probably will do a SAR, means stop and reverse. We'll convert our buy buy setup to a sell setup if this line is broken with a stop loss at this line itself. Okay, so the next day it made a red candle, so this is not a sign of reversal. Unless until the day ends in green, you don't bother, you just keep waiting. Another red candle, another red candle, a big red candle. Look, if we have aggressively entered here, we are in unrealized loss, but we are not entering since till a green candle is made. So we are extending this line and also extending this line. Now this is the moment where you should watch, because it is approaching this line. This is a very important moment. Another red candle. Now a green candle is formed. So what is our strategy here? Now whatever strategy we are going to use, it will be aggressive because it is just one green candle like this one. Okay, so this is a green candle, and Okay, I'll say let's just enter it tomorrow, the next day, and we keep the stop loss at here. Let's say here. We keep the stop loss at the low of the previous day's low. So let's see what happened the next day because we don't want to lose high. The next day we got a huge green candle as you can see here. So our speculation went right and we have entered a good trade. And as you can see, it went very good for us because the green candle is very much huge. It is like a bottom bounce of Ashok Leyland. So the next day, all you have to do, we have to update the TSL. So we are updating this stop loss from here to here. Our main goal in trading is to make it risk free. So as long as, look, we entered at the very beginning of the day. So right now we are moving our stop loss to the entry. So it is a risk free trade right now. So we are just watching because it is already broken the swing high here and it is started an uptrend, or we cannot tell that it is started an uptrend, but we can tell that it has broken this downtrend. So the stock is not in downtrend anymore and is looking for a new trend. It can be sideways, it can be uptrend, but let's see. Okay, it is going more high, so we need to update our stop loss at this level. Many people also move the stop loss in the low of this the previous day's candle, but I will recommend to move it to the higher high here, because if it again come down and break this, it will be confirming a sideways trend. Okay, it didn't touch it as you can see here, but it has already started to make a red candle, so time to worry. Okay, we're out of our trade, so our stop loss hit at this level. So let's see how much we have made. We have entered here at 82 and we have exited at 86.2. So we made 4 points and that is a 28,000 for you guys.